Hi, this is an instruction video on how to use the heat pump / air conditioning unit. One thing to keep in mind is if the air conditioner upstairs, the vent is set at cool or heat, the one downstairs has to be the same or they will shut off. So it is run by a remote control. There's only a few buttons you need to use on this to make it work. On, off, obviously turns it on or off. Mode will then turn it from heat to air conditioning. So you can see the snowflake is in the second position. If we hit that mode button, the bottom one is heat. So please use heat or air conditioning and not the other settings. So that's your instruction video. And again, just whatever it is set at upstairs, please set it the same downstairs, heat or air conditioning.